The next slide we go into is community as a client. In the community health and the whole community is looked upon as a client, and the services are focused on this community. So it is very important to identify what are the needs and problems in the community, know the community, identify the health needs of the community, that is the community diagnosis, and we have to find out the underlying factors affecting the health problems, and we have to plan and implement comprehensive services. Already I told you there is a list of services we can give as comprehensive services for the children, for the mothers, for the old elderly people, and various types of chronic illnesses, communicable diseases, various types of comprehensive services we can provide to the community. And community identification, it is a process of exploring and knowing. So once you go to the community, you have to explore and find out what is the health status of the members of the community, what are the factors affecting their health. Then exploring and knowing also implies that we have to find out the geographical data, we have to find out what is a housing pattern, whether it is a kacha house or a pakka house, what is the climate of that area, etc., the lifestyle of the people, the leadership pattern, etc. Now exploration also would mean what is a family type. So where in the community profile all these aspects are given. When you go for the community posting, you have to find out all these facilities, what is available in the community. Then you have also to find out what are the voluntary organizations. You know what are the different voluntary organizations in a community. For example, the Red Cross, YMCA, or Lions Club, like that, welfare organizations will be there. What are the channels of communication? Through letters, phoning, emails, all these you have to find out. What are the telecommunication networks, whether there is a local area network or metropolitan area network, or wide area network or internet, what is the type of telecommunication network is available there, what are the various travel modes. You have to find out whether they are traveling by railway or by bus or by waterways or different types of railway travel modes you have to find out. So these informations are obtained by making observational visits. When you go to the community, you have to do the observational visits of the community. You can conduct formal and informal meetings with the leaders and also church leaders, political leaders, various types of leaders are available, the teachers, and also the health personnel and other workers in the community, in the PHC or in the sub-center, in the community health center. All these places you will see various health personnel. Plus you have to review the records of the persons who are there in the families. They will have various types of records related to their health aspects. And during this time of your community posting, you have to do a survey of the community, wherein you will be able to find out what is the situation of the community. Next, you have to do the identification. I already told you the exploration. We have to community identification. It helps us to prepare a community map. You have to prepare a community map showing all the geographical conditions, as I told you earlier, and all the rest of the things that you see in the slide. Then you have the community profile. You have to fill up the community profile. From that you will learn about the community. After that you have to make a community diagnosis. You have already written in your previous years the written statement of the health needs and the health problems of the community by writing the nursing diagnosis. All of you know how to write the nursing diagnosis. So then you have to prioritize what are the problems for planning and implementation. So these are the things that you have to follow. Then you have in the next slide the community treatment. What is the community treatment? What are the health actions that you are going to do for the community. What is a community treatment? For example, you are doing some hand washing, you are checking vital signs and checking pulse, BP, etc. All these are community actions according to the needs and problems of the community. Then community actions are planned considering the nature of the problems, the felt needs, etc. All these you know. Then go through the slide when you get time. Then what are the aims of the community health nursing? The main aim is to reduce the risk factors in order to prevent morbidity and mortality, the death of the patients and the disease conditions of the patients. In order to reduce, we are doing this community health nursing. So we have to strengthen their self-care activities and promote the health and prevent the occurrence of diseases, maintain the quality of life. So we have to see that how well the people are living, what is the well-being of the people. In order to maintain the quality of life, we have to find out what is the air quality, what is the water quality, the solid soil quality, what is the natural conditions. Various aspects are there related to the standard of living of the people. So you have to find out all that, and then we have to try to maintain a productive life in the community setting and improve the standard of living. Once you go to the community, we help them to improve the standard of the living and protect their health and prevent all types of diseases.